taps on the window pane, same ghost dancing in my brain. Sleepless nights, no stars, no flame, just me and the silence again.
3 a.m. and the room still cold. Heart too tired, soul too old. Ceiling fan spinning like these thoughts in my head. Every memory alive while I wish it was dead. Empty cups on the side of the bed. Empty words from the things you said. Now the rain hits slow like a cigarette burn, and I still got pain from the bridges that burn. No fear left, no tears fall down, just a hollow echo when nobody around. I talk to the dark like it answered back, but the silence too deep and the night too black. Overthinking minds in a lonely parade. Smiles all fake like a role I played, and these jazz notes cry through the smoke-filled air, like the world moved on, but I'm stuck somewhere.
Dreamless nights, nothing feels alive. Clouds inside my chest and they never pass by. Silent rain falling on me, cold wind where your love should be. Pain got a rhythm slow and deep, and the night don't let me sleep. Alone, tired, lost inside my mind. Empty words and broken skies, just another sleepless night.
Streetlights blurred through the water on glass, watching every lost moment pass. I got regrets stacked high like books on a shelf, trying so hard just to heal myself, but the city's still dark and my chest still numb. Every heartbeat sound like a kick drum. Slow jazz playing from a radio far, like a dying wish trapped inside a bar. And I wonder if peace got my name somewhere, or if pain just permanent living here. Cause the mirror look back like it know my sins, and the rain outside sound like violins. No love left in these tired eyes, only smoke clouds and lullabies. I've been carrying storms that nobody sees, while the whole damn world still breathe with